In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up counters and mix it up. Counters are a cool little feature that will keep track of certain things that happen throughout the stream. Let's say I die in Warzone and one of my viewers can type out a command like !death and it will pop up as a chat message saying Uncultured Steve died 15 times. It's a super cool feature that will get your chat more engaged with your stream. Let me show you how to set one up. Now that we're in Mix It Up, your first step is to make a brand new counter. So we're going to go to the settings tab at the top right and then over to the left side and click on counters. From here, you'll see a list of all the counters I have made for my stream. So we're going to make a brand new one. I play a lot of Warzone, so I die a lot because I'm a potato. So that means I rage a lot. So we're going to make a counter to keep track of how many times I rage. So we're going to name this Raged. And then you want to click Add. You'll see it appear at the bottom of the list. This amount is set to 0 because it's a brand new counter. You can actually change it to whatever you want. So we'll just put like 5 in there. The save to file and reset on load, I always have these turned off. The save to file is, I believe, if Mix It Up crashes, it will actually keep that number as a backup file, so you never lose that number. And then the reset on load, this will, like every time you shut down Mix It Up, it will set this number back to 0 for the next time you stream. I always have these turned off. So now that we have the counter set up, we're going to close out of settings, and now we're going to make a brand new command. So you want to click on the menu drop down at the top left, go to commands, and then at the bottom, click on new command. From here, you'll name it. So we're going to name it Raged, and then the chat trigger, I'm going to name it the same thing. And now go down to actions, click on counters. Click on counters and then click the plus button to add it. Now we're going to add the counter we just made. So click on the counter name, which is going to be a list of all the counters you have made in the settings tab. So we're going to name or add the Raged counter, the one we just made. The action is going to be update, and then the amount, you want to make sure it's always a plus in front of the number. So we're going to do increments of 1. Now we're going to add a chat message. So you want to go back down to actions, click on chat message, and then the plus button to add it. The chat message will be Steve just raged. He raged a total of, and now we need to add a special identifier. So it's going to be $raged times. This special identifier is going to be what replaces this right here with the counter number. So you want to make sure it's going to be $ and then the counter name you just made. So whatever is located right here, whatever you selected, you want to make sure it's typed out the same way. So it's going to actually replace that with the counter number. So we're going to save it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the Twitch chat. So go to Twitch chat, type out the command is going to be Raged, enter. And it's going to display a chat message saying Steve just raged. He raged a total of 6 times. We'll do it again. Raged. Steve just died. He died a total of 7 times. Raged. He died a total of 8 times. So every time this chat command is being used, it's going up by an increment of 1 time. So it's a pretty cool feature that will get your chat more engaged with your stream. You can get more creative with it. I have ones for like every time I die, or like if I'm having like a drunk stream, it'll keep track of how many times I like take a sip and stuff. It's a super cool feature that will get your chat more engaged with your stream. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always checking out my YouTube to see if anybody needs help with stuff. So yeah, I'm here to help out. If you guys need it, let me know. I appreciate you watching my tutorial. Yeah, thanks for watching my stuff, and make sure you like and subscribe to my video. It'll help me out a lot. I'm trying to currently reach 1K. It's one of my goals for the next few months. But yeah, thanks for watching my stuff, and have a great day.